You see, parasha is parashat Mishpatim. It's interesting. The parasha starts ve'ele hamishpatim. It's Vav. Everybody asks the question. Rashi also asked, why does it start with elle hamishpatim? Ve'elle hamishpatim. Ve'elle hamishpatim. These are the mishpatim or things that you put in front of them. And Torah goes and talks about evidivri and how to treat with evidivri. Then Torah talks about somebody tells his daughter, what should we do? Then Torah talks about somebody hits somebody else, what should we do? Then talks about stealing, what do we do? Curse parents, and goes all over. And if you have a fight with somebody else, what to do? Then Torah talks about mizikin. If you damage somebody else, how should you do about it? How should you pay him compensation for that? Then Torah says, you have to stay away from the sheder. Then they don't steal and avodah zarah, and how to deal with the lady violating a lady. What should we do? Then Torah talks about if you find the cow, a donkey, return it back to him. If you see the donkey of your enemy lying under his burden, you have to help him. Then you shouldn't take bribe, and the worker that works for you, you have to respect him. Then you have to keep the mu'adim, talks the mu'adim, and goes on. And Krishna at the end talks about the Brit covenant that I was made for Har Sinai. Now Rashi says, "Kol ma'oshema elle pasal eterishonim." If he says elle pasal eterishonim, says the rishonim are nullified. Ve'elle motiv eterishonim, ve'elle motiv. Ma harishonim misina, afel misina. Therefore, why does it say vav? It says vav because to teach us that ma harishonim misina, afel misina. Just like Aseret Diberot classic parasha was from Sinai, Hashor who came from Sinai. These also come from Sinai. There is a connection. But what's the point of that? Of course, we know that what happened on Har Sinai. What happened on Har Sinai? Everybody died, and I was trying to revive everybody. But the question is, why do we such a greatness that everybody should come and should die, and then I was who revives everybody? If you notice in the parasha, I was who told Moshe, I'll come to the thickness of the cloud in order that the nation should hear when I'm talking to you, and they could trust you to understand that Hashem speaks to nation. Then Torah says, "Vayagid Moshe divrei ha'am el Hashem." It says, Hakadosh who told Moshe, now the apostle should say that Moshe said the words of the Hashem to the nation, but the apostle says the other way. Moshe says the word of the nation to Hashem. That's right now. Hakadosh who told Moshe, go and tell them that I'm going to speak. Then Vayaged Moshe et divrei ha'am. Even divrei ha'am should say divrei Hashem to the nation, not divrei nation to the Hashem. Now Rashi says, what's pshat? When you told me that I should tell them that you're gonna speak to me and they're gonna hear over here what I'm saying to you, I heard the complaint, the request. Their will is they want to listen from you. It's not similar when you listen from the agent or from the king. Our will is to see you. And our forefathers were so smart, such unbelievable wisdom. They said, we want you. We want to see you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We want that level of connection. We are not going to give up any type of connection. We don't want you to speak to Moshe Rabbeinu and we should hear your direct dialogue with him. We want to have a direct dialogue with you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. For all of this, that's the Har Sinai Mussar Lesson. To have HaKadosh Baruch Hu have dialogue with them, that was what they demanded and they wanted. Once they wanted, Hashem said, okay, let them prepare themselves and do it. Now, you have to understand what does it mean to have a dialogue with Hashem. There were two organizations that the president would hire people and they were working. Now, one of them, the president would hire himself to get them in, talk to them nicely, give them a coffee, give them a chocolate, make them very nice, present appointment with them. The other one, the president is a tough person to sit down and to tell the workers what to do, the regulation, the rules. Now, that company that they had a tough person to regulate them was not succeeding. The other one, everything worked out. And people were working very hard. And we're going out of their ways to work out and to help. Now the question is, why? What happened? Everybody says the first appointment makes sense. By that company, the first appointment was a tough person. What they remember from this company is toughness and regulations. The other one, the president himself, he came with ahava, with love to them, and he presented himself to them. For every small thing that they're going to do, resemblance, that ahava, bring that ahava in them, motivates them to do it better, motivates them to act better. The HaKadosh Baruch Hu went on Har Sinai with Har Israel to make them to be aware of what Torah is. Like Shlomo HaMelech says in Shirashim, Shakeni mileshkot pihu. That will kiss me, Shakeni mileshkot pihu. Kiss me from the kiss of his mouth. Rashi says over there that different type of kiss. One type of kiss, you kiss the hand of your father's mouth. One kiss, you kiss the forehead. One kiss, you kiss the head. One kiss, you kiss the shoulder. One kiss is the mouth to mouth. Mouth to mouth is the highest form of relationship. HaKadosh Baruch Hu showed full intimacy to Har Israel. And that's not only in giving Torah to Har Sinai. Every little bit of Torah is a kiss from Hashem. Every learning is the pe el pe. Every chavruta, every word of Torah, everything that the person tries to learn at that occasion, and it's unbelievable when you think about it. There is somebody is waiting and waiting to give you a kiss, mouth to mouth. Any time that you could prepare yourself to get it, to be with. He's waiting for you. He's waiting for you. He's waiting to give you that kiss. Therefore, any time of learning, any time of mitzvot, any time of that we do, that's why HaKadosh Baruch Hu came and spoke to Har Israel, even though that he died. Now, Rashi is pointing out unbelievable chidush in this parasha. Mishpatim. This Mishpatim is not Elle. We are adding some more judgment and rules. Where? What means Rashi says is just like 10 commandments from Har Sinai, everything from Har Sinai. Every little bit thing that you do is from Har Sinai. It's a kiss from Hashem. You keep a little bit, in other words, the judgment, you understand everything, you live with him properly, you damage somebody, you pay him, you're understanding other people, relating to other people, you care for other people. Any derecheres that you do, everything is connected to Har Sinai. It's not like the goyim, the most important thing are important, like Yitro says. Yitro says, if something is gadol, take it to Moshe Rabbeinu, something small, pay him. Moshe Rabbeinu says no. But the Har Israel is not big project, small project. The word kasher became. If it's hard for you, you don't understand it, bring it to me. Hard kasher. If it's 1 cent, $1, a little bit derecheres. Therefore, just an unbelievable motivation that Rashi is pointing out to us that any derecheres that a person does, everything that is a connection to Har Sinai is a nishakeli nishkot pihu, little bit derecheres, a little bit acting properly, a little bit holding the anger, a little bit holding the jealousy, like the parasha talks about it. Anything in the Parashat Mishpatim, in other words, 10 commandments is hinted in the Parashat Mishpatim. Midrash brings out every bunch of mitzvahs refers to one thing. All of them, anything that you hold back and you don't do is connected to Har Sinai. It's like reuniting, in other words, reviving Har Sinai. That is matter of, just being nice. You see, as long as we feel derecheres or this type of attitude with other people, it's a question of being nice, not to be nice. person gets to a point of pressure, and pressure becomes so much, deliberately you decide not to be nice. But if you understand that everything that you do is the minashkin people, is connected to Har Sinai. It's connection, that connection revives itself. It's the occasion of being with the Melech. You decide properly, you don't listen to your Hara. What are you doing? You're connecting to Hashem. Therefore, that's the greatest motivation in life, to go through, to understand Nisyonot, and to do it properly, to understand that it is not something, okay, I'm nice, not nice. I lost the kiss if I don't do it properly. Therefore, that is the greatest motivation in life, to act properly and to be to be zoche to all of the brachot of Torah.